Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today I wanted to use up some leftovers. I had bought some miso for a recipe a few days ago, and I've got tons of miso left. So other than making miso soup, I was trying to find something else to do with this miso. So I came across this recipe that I think should be pretty tasty. It's going to be some grilled potatoes with a miso butter on it. And to get started, all I have is about a pound of potatoes, and it's coming out to about four fairly small potatoes. And this one I cut in half just to get them all about the same size. I'm going to put them in a pot of salted boiling water for about 14 minutes until they're nice and tender. And then we're just going to end up putting them in a frying pan. You could take them out on a grill. If you had a charcoal grill, that would give it a real nice flavor. We're just going to do it in the house here, and in a frying pan we're going to cook them, get the skins a little bit crispy. Then we're going to pour some of this miso butter on top, and it sounds like it might be pretty tasty. So let's put the potatoes in and come back in 14 minutes and finish up. All right, so I boiled my potatoes for about 15 minutes, and you want to, where they're tender inside and basically finished. So test them with a fork to make sure they're done. So now I'm going to pour these potatoes, skin and all, and whole, into a frying pan. And what I'm going to do here is just keep turning them to get the skins crispy and kind of charred, which would be the same effect of putting them outside on a grill. So we'll just do this, keep turning them maybe for about 5 to 6 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, let me turn these one more time. We'll make our miso butter. And to do that, I've got 3 tablespoons of soft butter. I'm going to mix in 1 tablespoon of the miso. And like I said, on whatever recipe I made this on, I'm using a reduced sodium miso, and it's still very salty. You could put this in another pot and boil and then melt it. I'm just going to stick it in the microwave. All right, that's good. So the butter melted. So now I'm just going to stir in the miso. It'll get a little bit thick. I'm going to add to the miso and butter 1 roughly chopped fresh clove of garlic and 1 tablespoon of rice wine. I'm going to stir that up. You can see the potatoes are getting a little charred on each side. That's what we're looking for. All right, so we'll stir up this miso butter, garlic, rice wine. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. Stir that in, and then we're just going to pour this into the frying pan and shake up the frying pan, make sure that all this potato gets coated very well. And I'll turn the heat down a little bit. All right, so let's just pour this in with the potato. Wow, puts off a really good smell. So we stir these potatoes around, get them all coated evenly with the butter, and then we'll be done. And we'll pour the butter left over here, we'll pour this on top. That look wonderful. Catherine's going to try first. I don't know if you can hear it now. We got a big thunderstorm going on out here. So. Yeah, I like it. You know, actually what it reminds me of is when I was a little kid, we'd go down to our neighbors down the street and they'd have a big bonfire outside, and we'd wrap potatoes in foil and throw them in the fire and bake them that way. And that's what this reminds me of, the charred potatoes. It's really good. I think the only thing I might do different is to cut these potatoes maybe in quarters after everything was done, and then pour the butter on all of it, so you get some butter on the inside of the potato as well. But yeah, I really like these. Definitely way better than I thought. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.